What's this called, Pony? What's the name of this thing again?
Mustang Owners Museum.
Stampede After The Storm.
That's right. Wrong. Right. Wrong. He fixed that.
Yeah.
It'll be on his channel, guys.
Gotcha.
I see why you choose large.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, that way you get your muscles to come out more, right, with a large. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we are actually at day 2 of Stampede After the Storm. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's actually an event that was kind of conceived and put together by Pony 1992. That's Jack, Determined Veteran, by the way. Check him out if you haven't. He's an awesome guy. He has a Camaro. I don't like that part, but otherwise he's a pretty good dude. The event was conceived and put together by Fox Mustang Restoration, Mustang Owners Museum, also Pony 1992, Speed Addict 731, and I had just a tiny little bit to do with it. But anyway, hopefully I didn't leave anybody out because a lot of people helped push this out on social media. But I said day 2 and you guys haven't seen a day 1 video. Why? Well, day 1 was at the drag strip and I did something bad last night. I actually, I broke my GoPro footage, guys. I broke it. Broke my SD card, almost broke my laptop. It was almost as funny as the pass I ran last night where I almost broke my car. But anyway, you guys won't see that, or maybe you will. Who knows? Maybe we'll get it fixed. But anyway, yeah, we're going to have a great time today. Who we got here? We still got Ken. Thanks for helping set this up, buddy.
No problem.
He brought Cody with him. Already, Jackie, he already photobombed me. And Jeremy as well helped set this up. So thanks a lot, buddy. We got a good spot out here. We're going to see what's going to happen. Guys, one of the things I did forget to mention is the reason why we're having this event is actually we all planned to be at Mustang Week, and then, you know, the hurricane happened, so that's why we're not there. But so that's Ken and Pony and I just started talking. Well, Ken and Pony actually called me and they were like, hey, let's try to set something up in Charlotte. I'm like, that's my hometown, I'm good with it. So yeah, that's kind of how we got to this event. But I did bring back an oldie that you guys haven't seen in a while, and for those of you that knew the channel, I know you've never seen this. There you go, I got the old poor man advertising out. So had to do that, had to start there, still kept the sign. Don't usually bring it out as much anymore, but I did right now. Guys, I'm in the inside of the museum right now, and I'm probably not gonna show you a lot of footage on this because I actually have a full tour video on this my channel already. So if you haven't seen that, check it out. I'll put in a link in the description below, but there's definitely a lot of nice cars here today, even on the inside and the outside. But yeah, I do a full tour when there's not a lot of people here. It's just about to open, or maybe it just opened, so I'm expecting it to get a lot more packed in here. But there was a new arrival they just had, so I did want to look at this one real quick. They call this the Truck Sting. And check it out, guys. Got a truck bed. That is so cool. So looks like it's automatic, but how much fun would that be? There's actually one other car in here inside I want to show you guys, and I actually have this car, or a car like it. What do you guys think about this FHP State Trooper? I do have an SSP, and the SSP is all black now, but it was former Florida Highway Patrol. What would you guys think about me restoring the SSP like that? Let me know if you think I should do that. I don't know if I should do that or just keep it as a coupe, but let me know what you think. Inside here, guys, we have some booths being set up to sell some stuff. Looks like we got Cook's headers over there. Fox Mustang Restoration over here. You guys may have heard of them. There's Jen. And they got all kinds of shirts here today. So I believe all these shirts will probably be at Foxtoberfest too, unless they sell out. You guys get a little sneak preview here. This one's actually pretty cool. Harris Lou designed this one. If you can't tell, sneakily. Guys, you know I'm not wearing my Tar Heel shirt I'd normally wear, and somebody had a question what kind of color this was, and so told him it's Carolina blue. He had a good suggestion because I did have the hat with me, guys. Check this out. So now people should know. So shout out to that guy right there. Appreciate it, buddy. That is sick. That's a nice license plate, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. License plate says too loud, guys.
Guys, you know I like doing those video montages, so I'm gonna go down and get all the cars here and try to make something snappy with it. So hopefully you'll... case you guys don't know what the cars, the Pony and Jeremy are, they're actually here today. So this is one of them. Jeremy has a lot more at home, but this is his 16, not daily, trailer queen, I guess. I don't know. No, he did drive it here. He drove it here. But it's as nice as a trailer queen.
That's the reason. That's the only reason he drove it.
Yeah.
If he get you a truck, you'll be towing this, won't you?
That's the reason.
I think you will. And we got Ken's 2012 here. It's a GT500, and I don't know, it might have a mod or two. What you got? Just some exhaust, right, Ken?
Man, not much. I'll show you.
And then this is his 19, which I don't know. It doesn't have many miles on. How many miles on this now? Oh, sorry. This is Mrs. Speed Addict 731's
I'm not
car.
sure. It had over 2,000, but
3,000. So it's brand spanking new, pretty much. It's clean. Is it the same color as Jeremy's or different?
Yes.
Same color. All right. All right. Yeah. So these are factory, what, 550 horsepower?
yeah, factory from the factory 550. I dynoed the car before the JLT, the VMP throttle body, and the headers.
It's a 90mm throttle body?
No,
what is that?
Twin 67.
Twin 67s, okay.
Before the throttle body, the JLT Code Air and the long tubes.
Long tube headers, yep.
Yeah, before the long tubes, it put down 538 horsepower, 550 torque, and that was on SAE correction factors.
Okay.
Standard, it put down 548. But
have you ran it since the headers and all that yet?
no, I have not put it on the dial
All right.
since then. It has picked up track speed after track, so.
It's at least 20-30 horsepower, you think?
I mean, with the throttle body, the Code Air, and the long tubes,
yeah.
I would say 30 to 40.
Yeah, 34.
Maybe.
Yeah.
But you know, it's.
You're getting closer to that 600.
Yeah, it
horsepower
should
at the
be,
wheels.
It should be knocking on the door, not too far away from it.
And he ran a 730, not a 731 last night.
Yeah, did I say 731?
No, I just like that. I wish you would have ran a 731 because of your shirt. That's all.
I ran 731 before, but I never put it together. But the best time it's ran so far is a 721.
Okay.
So that's the best time so far. And it's got more in it. It's stock suspension, and but it does very well. That was at 99 mile an hour. It does 721.
Okay. What was your mile an hour last night?
98.
98. Okay. Very good. I always love these GT500s. Ken killed a few bugs on his way here.
Oh, I killed them all.
Killed them all.
Last night and today.
Yeah.
I killed them all. See, he left his car at home last night, so he didn't have to drive to the drag strip to drive back home to get all the bugs.
Yeah, that was smart.
Smart man.
Well, like,
Very smart.
It's a street car, right?
Street car. That's all you have is street cars. You can see what's going on here, guys. But anyway.
We're getting that whole race car discussion.
Yeah. There's a lot of that on their channels. But yeah, if you're not checking out Ken Speed Addict 731 already, definitely give him a look up there on YouTube and Instagram, as well as Pony 1992. Check both these guys out. Guys, we have another YouTuber in the house. We've got Demon Fox rolling in. He couldn't bring the Fox today because the Fox is still being built, but he has an awesome on-3 turbo build he's doing with his Fox body. This is the wife's 2000, and this is Michael. How you doing, Mr. Demon Fox?
How you doing,
Good
bro?
to meet you in person.
Nice to meet you too.
Yep, we're doing good. I don't know.
You can tell us why, because we got pink shade.
You know, it's okay. Pink is in now, guys. We can do pink. You know, it's allowed in the city, but you know, I know us old school guys don't really like pink as much.
Pink
Yeah.
for me.
Yeah.
Pink for me. These days I'm using black and gray.
I like it. You're looking good, man. Well, what everybody wants to know is what the wheels are on the car.
Nah,
You can't tell me. That's a good man. You've got to hold on to that, guys. I'm gonna try to get on today if I can, but not like put it on videos. So you guys definitely should check him out if you're not already. He, like I said, he's building the Red Demon. I think it's 88. Is that right?
Yes, 88.
Yeah. If you're not already subscribed to him, check him out. Especially want to know about an on-3 turbo build. Plus, he's got 5-lug swap.
Yeah. That's actually what got me started on YouTube, was the 5-lug conversion, because I couldn't actually find
You couldn't find it, right?
Find it on YouTube anywhere, and I was wanting good solid evidence, because the forums, you know, tell you this and tell you that.
Yeah.
You don't know what to go with.
Yeah.
I did it basically myself, just kind of figured everything out, man, and got everything on eBay and Rock Auto, cheap as possible.
He is super budget, guys, in case you didn't know. You know, he's definitely a budget guy, and he's almost at 1,000. He's getting really close, so please check him out. If you like him, hit that subscribe, because we want to get him there, because he's putting in a lot of work, and you can't make money until you get to 1,000. So
you can't make money, you get 1,000. It's a lot of work, man. It takes a lot of people don't understand it. You know, you get to set the camera up, you work a few minutes. You know, it's actually 40 minutes worth of footage a lot of times.
Right.
You try to whittle it down as far as possible.
I'm figuring out too, because it's actually even harder for me now that I'm working on my own car. My videos take longer. So
yeah, it does because you're trying to figure out good camera angles and all that good stuff. But yes, it's aggravating sometimes, man. But it's worth it when you see all your subscribers comment on your videos and all
absolutely, I agree 100%.
Yeah.
You guys know I love Cobras, and that's why I've got a Cobra clone, but check this out. It's actually an original 93 Cobra, J. Kennedy SVT. And look, he's got those cup holders that I need for sure. Sitting low, got the badges. I don't have them anymore, Brutal has them. And a Cobra intake, which I almost went with. The Cobra intake, but supercharged, guys. This is no joke. I love this color on the Cobras. Yeah, so check him out on Instagram if you want to see more of that Cobra. I'm definitely going to follow him today. All right, guys, so the wife is out here coming up clutch. Set me up a little booth here. And I told you guys I didn't get any footage of the track last night.
Your head, huh? What do you do?
Yeah, broke SD card. Oh, I'm just putting this on YouTube. That's all, make little videos. But last night I went to the track and I got footage of it and I broke my SD card. So no one will ever see this again. There's a broken SD card, guys. I mean, I did it good, but Mrs. Gearhead brought me a new one, so I'm going to be able to use this one because the one you're watching right now has almost no footage left. It only takes like, I don't know, 45 minutes of footage. So I'm going to swap the good one in, and we got free snacks. So if you were here, you could have some, but you're not. So all right, since you're the master here, buddy, can you fix that? Yeah. It'll be on his channel, guys. Check him out. He'll get it all fixed.
I taped it back on the back.
No, yeah.
No,
Best Buy looked at it today. They said it's done.
It's done. They said
And it was Academy Award winning. You know, we could recreate it.
Dude, we did the shoe thing.
I know.
On there. I mean,
Can't recreate that.
no.
Ugh. Foxcast showed up. He's teasing me about my broken SD card. I want to talk to him right now. Teasing me. It's all in good fun, guys. It's all in good fun. All right, guys, there are more cars out back. So I'm walking around back to show you these. We've had a lot more people show up in the last hour. And just Mustangs everywhere, as you would expect. See all the Mustangs out here. Looks like Foxcast got a better spot. We already got good footage of his car, so he'll have to live with that. No, I love Caleb. If you guys aren't already following him, which is hard for me to believe, definitely check his channel out. He's one of the people that helped get me started in all this. You see, this is how you save a spot here at what's this called, Pony? What's the name of this thing again?
Mustang Owners Museum.
Stampede After The Storm.
That's right.
that event.
Wrong,
Oh, that
right.
event.
Wrong, right. So the inside has changed a little bit. We got Chick-fil-A here. I got to get me some Chick-fil-A.
Do you remember me when I came?
Pony's getting some Chick-fil-A. I showed you before that Cooks was here. They actually got some of the headers out now. Some of these big headers. Long tubes.
Yes, sir.
2X, yeah.
Out of 2X. Is 3X good?
I can actually almost fit into a 1 if you got any 1s. I just have to like not eat for a day and I'm good. And I say that as I'm holding the Chick-fil-A, guys. Guys, I was just talking to the Cooks guys and they're giving away some free swag. Got a t-shirt and stuff here. So I may actually head out there someday and show you guys what Cooks is like. They're really close to me, so it'd be awesome. Got the Mustang Week table behind us here. They're setting up. Don't worry, I won't put anybody on camera. I'm just getting the thing here. Except Stuart, I'll put him on camera. All right, guys, one booth I did not show you that was here yet was actually the Haggerty booth, which is actually who Tar Heel Fox is insured with. You see, you got Haggerty right here. They're great because, you know, if I try to get insurance through my insurance company, they would give me $2 grand for Tar Heel Fox. And I got a lot more than $2 grand in that car, you guys know it, but Haggerty hooks me up. So if you need a lot more insurance for a classic car, check them out. So guys, one of the things I did not mention, the way that this all came together, you know, I told you guys a little bit about it, but one of the people that I mentioned was Fox Mustang Restoration. Well, I want to really actually shout them out because this is the person that really made all these things come together. She does an awesome job. And that is Jen. Say hi, Jen. She's been on the channel before, rocking the new Foxbody Cruise shirts. Yes. You guys are gonna have these at Foxtoberfest, right? Yes. Thanks for helping us get this all together. We really appreciate it. It's an awesome time. It's a great turnout, I think, too. Really is. Yeah, I was surprised. Yeah. We appreciate all your help. Oh, you know, it was kind of a group effort, so. Absolutely. Awesome, thanks. Yep. Those of you that don't know Fox Mustang Restoration, they have new old stock, which means parts that Ford's created that are no longer sold in a Ford dealership, and they've got them, guys, so there's limited quantity. See all the stuff they got here. So guys, behind me is a crew that came all the way from Norway, came to Mustang Week. Mustang Week got rained out, they showed up here today. These shirts are gonna be in Norway now, so what sizes are you guys here? Large? All right.
Large.
Thank you very much.
Large as well?
Large as well. Gotcha.
I see why you choose large.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, that way you get your muscles to come out more, right, with a large.
Yeah, did you see it on the back of it?
Yeah. Not just a Mustang, it's a Fox body. So, and we have two Fox bodies here, right? 86, two 86s. Yes. All right, both of you guys, right? Yeah. All right.
You really appreciate Fox.
Yeah. Which is so cool to know that there's Fox bodies in Norway. I had no idea. So if you see my drag strip videos, you know that I had some outside footage in the car, and that was actually Jason. And this is Jason right here. And this is his Grabber Blue. And it's all stock, but it's pretty. Now the wheels aren't stock. No. Is it a manual? Okay, yep. Oh, it's pretty. I like it. Somebody else that's been following me on Instagram is PT23, and this is his Fox body right out here. He's had a lot of stuff done to it. It is super clean. Just had it repainted, actually. Check out this interior. Just a clean Fox. I like it, I like it. All right, guys, wrapping up the event here with my friends Speed Addict 731 and Pony 1992. We had a great time today, so we're gonna go ahead and I'll end our videos right here.
All right, guys, we're gonna get out of here, but if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.
It has been a long day at the Mustang Owners Museum. We're getting ready to head out to the cruise. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you can, and we'll see you next time.
All right, and if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.